Now we will do a body scan. This will help us being mindful of the sensations in our body. Find a comfortable position, lying or sitting. Not too tight, but not too relaxed so as to fall asleep. Now focus your attention on the top of your head. What do you feel there? If you don't feel anything, that's okay too. We do not try to create sensation, but rather to realize if there is any feeling there in this moment. Move your attention to your forehead. What do you feel there? Is there any tension? Do you feel cold or warm? Toughness or lightness? Now, move on to the other parts of your face. Feel your eyes. Nose. Cheeks. Ears. Your mouth. Chin. Do you feel something in each of these places? Is there a tingling or vibration? Everything you feel is right. There is no right or wrong way for you to feel now. Move your attention to the back of your head, trying to notice what sensations you have there. Move your attention to your neck. Do not try to feel anything specific. Just feel what's in there. Is there any noticeable sensation? Now, shoulders. What is the sensation in your shoulders? Every feeling is right. Just notice what you feel. Is there tension? Do you feel the touch of your clothes against your skin? How does the blood flow through your veins? Now, slowly, turn your attention to your upper arms. Elbows. Forearms. Wrists. Take time to feel each one of your fingers individually. Now, the chest. Observe what you feel there. Do the feelings change, or do they remain the same? Both options are fine. Just notice what you feel. Let your attention now go to the area of your belly, trying to find out what you feel there. vibration, heat, tightness or looseness. There is no right way how you feel. Just notice your sensations in this area. Move your attention to the top of your back. Slowly, lower your attention down the back. Observe the physical sensations you experience there. Turn your attention now to the pelvis. The groin. Your buttocks. Notice the sensations that arise there. Now, your right leg. Start from the hip. Feel the thigh. What are you feeling on the back of your right thigh? Move your attention to your knee, shin, calf muscle, ankle. Now the right foot. Try to sense feelings at the top of your foot. And now at the bottom. Finally, your toes. What do you feel there? Can you feel each toe individually? And now, your left leg. What is the sensation at the front and back of your left thigh? Do feelings change or remain the same? Move to the knee. Continue to the shin. The calf muscle. Do you feel warm or cold? Is there a numbness or vibration? Note what you feel. Move your attention to the ankle. Is there any tightness there? Do you feel it free? Observe the feelings at the top of the foot. Now at the bottom. Turn your attention to your toes, trying to feel each of them individually, as best as you can. In the next few seconds, feel your whole body. Notice the sensations that appear in every part of your body. Slowly open your eyes.